Kausapin mo yan!
Ito ang tatlong exercises na pwede niyong gawin para ma-target natin ang ating glutes or ang ating body muscles. Ganun na rin ang ating hips or balakang. Gagamit tayo ng hip band. I'm going to use a medium hip band. Ang resistance niya, medium. So, ito yung nasa gitna. Meron tayong light, medium at ang heavy. First exercise natin, ang ating fire hydrant with a twist. So, itaas and then kick back. 1, 2, control ang upper body movement. 3, as you can see, walang upper body movement na nangyayari. Gawin nyo to ng 15 repetitions bawat leg ng 3 beses. Next natin, ang ating kickback. 1, 2, 3, 4. Gawin nyo to ng 15 repetitions and then 10 small pulses after ng 15 repetitions. Ang ating straight leg lift. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Walang upper body movement na nangyayari. Gawin nyo rin to ng 15 repetitions ng 3 beses. Thanks so much for watching. I'm Coach Elvie. I'll see you in my next one.